How to change lock screen on iOS 16. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can change your lock screen on iOS 16. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change your lock screen, let's say wallpaper or widgets, it's very simple to do that. The first way you can do is through the settings app. So you can open up settings and then you can go to the option called wallpaper. You can see our current wallpaper. If you want to change your wallpaper, just swipe to the right hand side or the left hand side to any other wallpaper that you want to change to. Let's say I'm done with selecting this wallpaper over here. What I have to do is just tap on the button that is set as current, which is at the very top of the screen, and this wallpaper will be set as my default lock screen wallpaper. But let's say I want to change it to some other one. Well, that is also infinitely possible. All I have to do is from my lock screen, just long press on this empty space right over here. So it will ask you to unlock your iPhone. So long press on it first of all, and then go ahead and unlock your iPhone. Once I do that, you'll be taken to this page, and right over here you can simply select any of the other wallpapers that you want to use. Then just tap on the customize button over here. Once you tap on the customize button, you'll be able to simply use this as your default wallpaper. And that's all it takes to change your lock screen on iOS 16. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.